Here are 3 trends that are new and next for holiday decor this year, starting with the tree. We are all about hydrangeas. We're using them as filler here. You can snip them from your garden, you can buy them and dry them. Just add a little bit of hairspray and they're the perfect way to fill any holes in your tree. You'll notice we didn't even use garland on this tree and I'm not missing it at all. If tree skirts feel a little fussy, the tree collar is the trend for you. Here's why. They are so structured, so polished, it has that natural tone, and that gives it a timeless look too. So it's still gonna feel classic holiday. They're neater, you won't trip over it, and it just adds so much structure and makes like your present display just look that much more picture perfect. The tassel is this year's bow. You can literally put them on anything. Use them as present toppers. We have them here tied into this garland. You can put them on a wreath. They'd even be great on your tree if you want an ornament alternative. And then bonus, after, you can use them on your curtains as tiebacks, because that's coming back too. And finally, everyone loves the pool noodle hack. This year, we're marrying it with the popular arch trend. So we have it on an arched mirror here, but you could do it on a circular mirror, an arched doorway, even an arched window. Super, super easy. All you have to do is cut the noodle to size, stick in your greenery, and add any extra decor items. Best part, pop it off, store it for next year, and you'll be ready for the holidays even earlier. I hope these trends spark joy for you and yours. Happy holidays from Apartment Therapy.